Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drain plug kits is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining your vehicle's transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and preventing costly breakdowns. In this video, we will delve into the top transmission drain plug kits available on the market, comparing their features, durability, and ease of use to help you make an informed decision and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 5. Mission 20 Pack Washers. These transmission crush washers are the ideal replacement for your Honda's OEM part. They're designed for a perfect fit and reliable seal during transmission fluid changes. It works with a wide variety of Honda vehicles, ensuring you'll find the right fit for your car. Check the compatibility list to see if it's right for you. These washers meet or exceed the quality of original equipment gaskets. They're made from high-quality materials to ensure a tight, leak-proof seal. With an outside diameter of 25.5 mm, inside diameter of 18 mm, and thickness of 1.95 mm, they are precisely sized for a perfect fit on your drain plug. Get 20 washers in a single pack, providing excellent value whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast. Save money without compromising quality. Changing your transmission fluid has never been easier. These washers make the process simple and reliable, saving you time and money. What we like. It's a bulk pack of drain plug crush washers, specifically designed for various Honda models. If you frequently change your transmission fluid or work on multiple Hondas, this is a cost-effective solution. You'll save money in the long run by buying in bulk. What people say. Compatible with various Honda models like Accord, CR-V, Civic, and more, these crush washers are essential for transmission fluid changes. Crafted from premium aluminum material, they ensure a proper fit with the drain plug, providing a tight seal that outperforms plastic or rubber alternatives. The washers fit perfectly and snugly on the transmission fluid drain plug, ensuring a tight seal and preventing any leaks. Number 4. Dorman 090-178 CD plug. It's a perfect match for your factory part. It's designed to fit and function just like the original. This is the reliable replacement you need if your old part is damaged or lost. Get your vehicle back on the road quickly. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can count on it for years to come. We stand behind it with our expertise and over a century of automotive experience. You're getting a superior product. Double-check compatibility using our online tool. Just enter your vehicle's details to ensure a perfect fit. It's designed for a straightforward installation. You can easily replace your old part and get back on the road. What we like. This drain plug is magnetic, which helps to catch metal shavings during fluid changes, keeping your transmission cleaner. If you prioritize ease of use and a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What people say. The quality is definitely on point, feels sturdy and well made right out of the box. Installation was a breeze, and I didn't run into any leaks after getting it in place. Exact replacement for the truck's original transmission drain plug. Delivered quickly. No issues. Was skeptical to purchase this at first as I much preferred OEM replacement parts. After removing the OEM, I test-fitted the replacement part. Surprisingly, the aftermarket part fits inside the transmission drain plug bore. The product also came with a crush washer as well. Number 3. YHTAUTO Transmission Pan. This transmission pan is built to last. It's made from high-quality steel to keep your transmission healthy and extend the life of your transmission fluid. It's precisely manufactured for a perfect fit. This ensures reliable performance and peace of mind. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, and more. Check the compatibility chart to ensure it fits your car. It comes with a new drain plug for a straightforward replacement. You'll save time and money with this simple upgrade. Remember, it doesn't include a gasket or seal. You'll need to reuse your existing one or purchase a new one separately. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. To verify compatibility, Cross-reference it with your vehicle's part numbers, 265 to 811, 265811, 2422965, 242402007, 103164, 635, 1062, 635, 1062, 2421555, and 2420995. What we like. This kit offers broad compatibility across various car brands and models. If you own a vehicle from a range of manufacturers, this is a versatile option. It's a budget-friendly choice that gets the job done, though you will need to source your own gasket. What people say. Easy install. I got this pan because it has a drain plug. Seems to be built tough and I don't expect any problems with it. Includes a pre-installed crush washer on the 17mm drain plug. Seems to be of heavy gauge steel, at least as thick as OEM, maybe thicker. Heavy duty pan for sure. Over twice the weight of my original pan. But it has a drain plug and that's why I ordered it. So I can get it drained before I pull it off and wrench it around the exhaust pipes and spill the oil everywhere. Now it's not going to happen now. Number 2. Dorman 65128 plug. It's a perfect match for your vehicle's original drain plug. It's designed to fit and function just like the factory part. This is the reliable replacement you need if your old drain plug is damaged or missing. It ensures a smooth repair. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. Expect reliable performance for years to come. It's backed by a team of experts and over a century of automotive experience. You can trust in its quality. Dorman is a brand trusted by millions of automotive experts. It's a choice you can rely on. This part is designed for straightforward installation. Save time and effort with a simple and effective repair. What we like. It's a piggyback drain plug, allowing for easier fluid changes. If you need a reliable and convenient replacement, this is a great option. The brand's reputation speaks for itself, offering quality and peace of mind. What people say. Works great. Going on a 2 months and no leaks. I put some red RTV sealant around the hole before inserting the hardware for some added security along with red Loctite on the threads. Drill your 1-2 hole, deburr, clean thoroughly, apply red RTV, insert hardware and tighten. I used a punch to lock the inside nut in place. Almost 8 years later, and the drain plug is still leak-free in my F150's transmission pan. Installed on my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. No leaks after my install. Works great and very nice to have. Number 1. GM 242330099 pan plug. This is the replacement part for your GM vehicle's automatic transmission fluid pan drain plug. It's manufactured to the highest standards for a perfect fit. It's a genuine GM part, so you know it meets GM's quality, reliability, and durability standards. You can trust it to perform as expected. This is a direct replacement for your vehicle's original factory component. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing system. It's manufactured to GM's original equipment specifications. This ensures a perfect fit, form, and function in your vehicle. Get the peace of mind that comes with using a genuine GM part. It's built to last and provide reliable performance for years to come. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. Get back on the road quickly and easily. What we like. This drain plug is a genuine GM part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance for your GM vehicle. If you demand the highest quality and want to maintain your vehicle's warranty, this is the only choice. It guarantees the best fit and function for your car. What people say. It fit perfect. Quick ship. Worked great on Allison transmission. Fits good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.